Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, I will show you how to write a Python program to print numbers from 1 to till given number. I want the output format in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, till given number. At the end, I want to get full stop. In this format, we need to get the output. So let's get started. First, I will write the code. Later on, I will explain. Until then, you can observe the code. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. You can give any file name. For suppose name and .py. File name with the extension .py. Python file should be saved with the extension .py. And click on Save. Now file is saved. You can see over here. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So open command prompt by using cmd. Type cmd, enter. Now we need to give path. cd space desktop, enter dictionary dir. Now file name dot extension py, enter. Now we need to give any number as you wish. For example 7, enter. You can see we are getting output like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we don't want this type of format. We want output like 1, 2, till given number. At the end, we need to get full stop. In this way, we need to get the output. We will see how to get that output. I will type the code once again. So please observe the code. After writing the code, I will explain the code. While writing the code, please check carefully indentation errors. Yeah, we are done. Save the file. Now go to command prompt. Enter the file name with the extension py. Now you have to enter any number, for suppose 7. Now you can see this is the first output. Now again type 7. You can see the second output. I will explain you the output. Copy. I'm pasting the output over here. Yeah, this is the first program we entered, and this is the second program, and this is the first output, and this is the second output. In the first program, what we did is, this is the line to get a number. Then later on, it will checking the code, and it is typing, and it is printing, and at the end we are getting comma. But in the second program, we are overcoming that problem by using if else. Here in the if statement, it is checking till n minus 1, we are getting comma. Means if we enter a number like 7 here, till 6 only, like n minus 1 means 7 minus 1, 6. Till 7 minus 1, 6, we are getting comma. Later on, else statement will execute. Means when the value is 7, it should be end with the full stop. So we are getting full stop at the end. In this way, we can overcome this problem. I hope you understand this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting coding videos and Python programming videos. If you want any program to see in my channel, please comment down below what type of code you want to see, what type of program you want to execute. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep coding.